AWS Well-Architected Framework. It is not just collection of best practices for architecting in AWS Cloud, but also collection of guiding principles that help you design architectures from 5 different perspectives, such as operational excellence, security, reliability, performance efficiency, cost optimization. By using this framework, you ensure that the architecture proposed for building systems on AWS is reliable, secure, efficient, and cost-effective. It provides a consistent approach to evaluate your existing architectures and identify areas of improvements. This is particularly important in today's fast-innovating IT technology. Thus, by using the framework, you can make informed decisions about your architectures and understand the impact of design decisions made. General design principles. Stop guessing capacity needs. Provision resources as per your current need, and scale up and down automatically. Test at production scale. Provision production scale test environment on demand, run your tests, and terminate the test environment. All of this can be done in fraction of cost of on-premises testing setup. Automate to make experimentation easier. Automation makes it easier to provision and terminate the environment at low cost by reducing manual efforts. You can track changes, analyze the impact, and accordingly revert back or continue promote to next stage. Allow evolutionary architectures. AWS Cloud lets you automate and test architectures on demand, thus reducing the risk of impact from design changes. This enables systems to evolve so the business can take advantage of innovations in IT technology. Build data-driven architectures. AWS Cloud lets you collect data on how your applications are performing in production. This will help you take decisions based on the metrics collected, and accordingly make improvements over time. Improve through game days. Test your applications regularly by scheduling game days so as to simulate events in production. This will not only help in identifying areas of improvements but also revisit organizational processes that deal with such events. Next part will explain operational excellence pillar and its principles. Thank you. If you want to know more about various AWS services and AWS certification courses, reach out to us on the following links.